So in this episode, we're going to talk about effective leadership and how we use effective leadership to be a better leader for those we serve. And we're starting right now. Hey everybody, my name is Gordon and welcome to another episode. If this is your first time here and you're interested in learning more about CliftonStrengths, leading a strengths-based life, and any and all other leadership-related stuff, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and also the notification bell so you don't miss anything. Okay, so let's talk about effective leadership. If you spend any time on the channel with us, you know that we talk a lot of CliftonStrengths. We talk a lot about your natural talents, your natural abilities. But we're going to start a series here and we're going to talk about the concept of effective leadership and how to be a good leader. So we're going to get into the intro of that today, and we're going to start to lay a foundation for a series of episodes that we're going to share with you in the coming weeks. So I hope you're excited, and I want you to get a lot of value out of what we're about to share with you. And real quick, before we get further into the episode, share with me in the comments below, what's the number one skill that leaders need to possess to be effective? Share that with me in the comments below, because again, we're going to go deep on leadership and what's effective leadership in this episode and in this series. So let's start with a fundamental truth. Leadership, it's hard. And over the last couple of years, it's been exceedingly difficult to lead for a number of reasons. But let's talk about how we become better, more effective leaders. So if we stay rooted and grounded in kind of a fundamental truth, which is leading or improving your leadership begins with a focus on what you already do well. Now, this is in the true fashion of Gallup and CliftonStrengths. It's all about harnessing and taking the natural gifts, talents, and abilities that you have, and then leveraging them to be an effective and better leader. Leadership, is about engagement. It's about connection. It's about relationships. Because far, far, far too many of our employees, our team members, the people who serve our communities, they're disengaged. They're not connected. But that's a direct reflection of leadership or lack thereof. And so what we've got to think about is how do we harness and take our talents, our skills, and then how do we connect ourselves to the organization in such a way that we inspire and we engage and we motivate people to move and to grow and to expand and to evolve. Because leading is already hard. It comes with having high levels of confidence. It comes with also having heightened awareness of the ability to make decisions and the ability to deal with things in the moment, but always with the expressed goal, always with the expressed responsibility of serving others. And we only do that effectively when we understand who we are and what we naturally are already gifted and able to do. So when we lead with our strengths, we are harnessing and leveraging our abilities to connect with others. And this is fundamental. This is introductory to being an effective leader, is understanding that what you already are good at, you should do more of as a leader, and you should capitalize on using that and harnessing that energy of your natural talents in order to effectively serve others. So as we move forward with this series on effective leadership and how to be a better leader, I want to challenge you to think about your role and your position as a leader. What are you doing to grow yourself? What are you doing to create conditions and an environment where all of your people, everybody that you serve, where they can thrive, where they can be highly engaged, highly motivated, and highly effective at executing on the goals and the mission that you have for your organization. Think about yourself in that role. It's going to be really, really important as we go through this series and as we share more and more insights about effective leadership. So remember, if you like this episode give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share it with a friend. The more and more people that we can serve with this information, the better. And don't forget to check the description below for more information on leadership, CliftonStrengths, and just things that will grow and enhance and provide value to you. It is always a pleasure to serve this community. I look forward to seeing you in the next one. And remember, everyone, be well. Thanks so much.